Earlier in the half hour, but some homeowners received a letter that their insurance policy is set to be canceled. Companies like Lighthouse, Mason, and Southern Fidelity are some of the providers who have canceled coverage across this state. Joining us live, financial expert Kimberly Washington with what you need to know. First off, thanks for being here. An all-important issue. So when can people, if they got this letter, expect to be officially canceled?
Right. So, of course, it does depend on your insurance coverage. So you definitely want to check out that letter and make sure that you review all information that pertains in that letter. But just to give you an idea, depending on the insurance coverage that you may have, if it is Lighthouse or Mason, it will be canceled, or was canceled rather, as of June 30th. Southern Fidelity, according to the Insurance Commission Board, is that it was actually expected to be canceled as of July 15th. So you definitely want to look at those insurance coverage and those letters and make sure that you get in contact with your insurance agent at this time.
Besides that, Heath Allen did a story a couple of minutes ago about a big meeting tonight. For anybody watching this who has been canceled, what steps can they take? The
first thing you want to do is pick up the phone and contact your insurance agent. That's the first step that you do want to take, because, of course, they can expect to receive some temporary insurance coverage at this time through the Louisiana Citizens Program. That's very important. This is considered like a temporary insurance, of course, of last resort, up to 120 days. Do keep in mind that this coverage is a little bit higher, about 10%. But again, reach out to your insurance agent and find out what your next steps are at this time.
So some people, like myself, it's folded into my monthly mortgage. Other people pay it up front immediately. If somebody has paid up front, what can they do to get money back?
They can expect to get their money back, but again, it does depend on your insurance provider. Keep in mind that you can expect your money back within 30 to 60 days. Again, you do want to contact the insurance provider in this case if you are expecting any unearned premium at this time. So do keep that in mind that you can get your money back.
A terrible time, a stressful time with these insurance companies pulling out. Nobody wants to see it. What's some last advice that you can give people if they are dealing with this situation? Because so many people are right now.
Definitely go to the state's website, the insurance website. They have a lot of information on the website. You can actually give them a call if you have any questions. You might say, okay, what do I need to do at this time? You can contact them, of course, two different ways. You can call them at 1-800-259-5300, or you can visit their website at idl.la.gov, but you definitely want to get in contact, I can't stress this enough, with your insurance agent at this time to determine what your next steps are.
All right. As always, CPA Kimberly Washington, great advice. It's interesting that we're talking about this, because we're going to go to Lee, who is going to talk about some activity that we're monitoring in the Gulf.